Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you tips to use Smart Component feature. This feature will make you work faster than before. You can use this feature like this. In this case, I have bracket, bolt, and nut. If you want to copy this assembly, maybe you copy part one by one. That take a long time. So I use Smart Component to make faster. Like this. Active Smart Component. Now you have three parameters: Smart Component parameter, Component parameter, and Feature parameter. For Smart Component parameter, click this part. For Component parameter, click this bolt and this nut, and click OK. Now, just copy this part, this Smart Component parameter. Make this part to this frame like this. Click this face and this face. Click coincident and this face and this face. Click coincident. Click this face, this face, this face, and this face. Create with matte and OK. And after that, right click this part. Click insert smart feature. Click OK. Now you have a component parameter. Just check all component and click OK. See? Now you copy the part with face. Or you can use this feature to copy the hole. In this case, I have a plate, bolt, and I want to make a hole in this base. First, make this plate into this base, like this. Click this face, and this face, make coincident. Click this face, and this face, make coincident. And click this face, and this face, make coincident. And after that, click this face, go to edit part, go to feature, active hole wizard, choose hole type is straight hole, choose size is m8, and go to position, click this face, click this point, and click this point, and click OK. Make this bolt to this plate, click this face and this face, make concentric, and click this face and this face, make concentric. Click this face and this face, make coincident. Click this face and this face, make coincident. And now active Smart Component. For Smart Component parameter, click this plate. Sorry. It is Smart Component again. Smart Component parameter, click this plate, and Component parameter is click this bolt, and for Feature parameter, click this hole, and OK. And now copy this plate, click this face and this face, make coincident. Click this face and this face, make coincident. Click this face and this face, make coincident. Right click this plate, click insert smart feature, and click OK. See? Now you have a feature to reference the face of a hole. In this face, click top face and click OK. See? Now you make another hole with quickly. Let's try again. Copy this plate, click this face and this face, click OK. This face and this face, click OK. Maybe I want to try this hole in the middle base. Click this face and this face, this face and this face. Make with matte. Okay. Sorry. Make with matte. Okay. Now right click this plate and click insert smart feature. And click this face. Then okay. See? Now you make a hole easily. Like this, that you can use smart component to make a hole quickly. See? Now you know how to use smart component. That is quick tips. See ya.